How to recover Likee password. So if you want to recover your Likee password, then first of all you need to open up the Likee application, and now you can simply go for the bottom right corner which has that account option, and now you can simply go for login with a new account, and then you can choose Facebook, phone, or quick sign up, or you can choose email. So I'll be choosing the last option, which is email, and then enter your email address here. And after entering your email address, click on this circle, and after clicking on that circle, you need to simply tap on login with email. And now to recover your Likee password, you need to simply go for forgot password. So tap on forgot password, and then you need to enter the verification code which Likee has sent to your email address. You can simply tap on send code, which is on the right side, and now you will receive a code to your email address which you have just entered. So if you didn't receive the verification code, then you will have resend option. You can simply tap on resend after the timer stops, and you will again receive the code. But if you have already received it, then simply enter that code here, and then you need to enter the new password. So simply create a new password for your Likee account, and now click on done, and that's it. Now you can simply go for skip, which is on the upper right, or you can connect your contacts if you want to, and that's it. That's how you recover your password on Likee. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.